Here he comes down chair 16. Little daredevil, Noah Frankel, Future Ski Olympics. Okay, do some big turns, buddy. Do some turns. How am I doing skiing backwards? That's it. You're skiing in control. I like that. Do some... Turn to the right. Turn to the right. Turn to the right, buddy. This way. This way. Follow Daddy. Another wipeout. Not too bad. Caught a tip? I got you, buddy. I got you. You okay? Talk to the camera. You okay?